In this video, we'll be building three-letter words that have the short O sound. First, we'll go over the sounds that are in the words we'll be building, and next we'll work on building words. Let's get started. First up is the short O sound. Ready? Ah. Ah. Here are a few words that start with the short O sound. Otter, ox, octopus. Let's say those words together. Otter, ox, octopus. Great job! The short O sound is really important because all the words we'll be building today have the short O sound in them. Now let's go over the other letter sounds we'll be using today. Which one of these letters makes this sound? T. T. Otherwise known as the first sound in the word train. If you said the letter T, then you got it. Let's try that again. Which one of these letters makes this sound? K. K. Otherwise known as the first sound in the word cat. If you said the letter C, then you're right. All right, let's try that one last time. Which one of these letters makes this sound? P. P. Otherwise known as the first sound in the word popcorn. If you said the letter P, then you got it. Now that we've gone over all the letter sounds we'll be using to build words today, we're ready to start building. Here are the four-letter options: O, P, T, and C. How do you spell the word pot? Pot. Pot is spelled P-O-T. Nice work! Let's move on to the next word. How do you spell the word top? Top. Top is spelled T-O-P. Great job! Let's try another word. How do you spell the word cot? Cot. Cot is spelled C-O-T. Way to go! It's time to build the last word. How do you spell the word cop? Cop. Cop is spelled C-O-P. Great job! Thanks so much for building words with me today. See you later.